Hello students, next topic for discussion in Unit 2 is explain the various institutions which are financing the entrepreneurs. Like these are the financial institutions playing a prominent role in the entrepreneurial development. That means they are providing financial support and also providing the outsourcing services like how to make a project report, how to start up a risky project, and other. Apart from financial assistance, these financial institutions are also providing the various services to the entrepreneurs. So here the various financial institutions established to support the entrepreneurs are as follows: IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India; ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India; IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India; IRBI, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India; LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India; UTI, Unit Trust of India; NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development; SIDC, State Industrial Development Corporation; SFC, State Finance Corporation; SIDBI, SIDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India; EXIM, Export Import Bank of India; SISI, Small Industries Service Institute; IIBI, Industrial Investment Bank of India, and some other commercial banks. So these all constitutes various financial institutions which are supporting the entrepreneurial development, like by providing capital, by providing the finance, and also apart from finance, some non-financial activities like providing services like preparing a project report, providing the information about the customers, about the products. Like this, these financial institutions are playing a prominent role in the entrepreneurial development. So here the question is, explain about various financial institutions supporting entrepreneurs, or else he may ask specifically explain about 2 or 3 banks, like explain about IDBI, explain about LIC, explain about NABARD. Sometimes he will ask explain various financial institutions or explain about some particular financial institution. So when he is asking about explain the various financial institutions, we have to write all the 14 banks, and you can explain in short what this bank is performing. Like IDBI, first bank we will discuss here is IDBI. We have already discussed IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India, which was established on 1st July 1964. It was set up in order to provide institutional finance to the upcoming large and small scale industries. It also fills all the gaps left out by other scheduled banks in the field of industrial finance. IDBI came into existence under the Parliament Act as a completely owned subsidiary of the RBI. It's a subsidiary owned by the RBI. It provides finance to the new business in key areas and also provides assistance to the projects in public and private sector. IDBI has been given a major role of principal finance institution for coordinating the national priorities, and also various activities of institutions indulge in assisting finance, promotion and development of the industries. It is a major bank. It's also called as a principal financial institutions which is providing finances for various activities of institutions indulge in promotion and development of the industries. That's why in the name itself it is called as Industries Development Bank of India. It is a bank which is providing industrial development assistance. So role or function of IDBI: it plays a major role in subscription of stocks, shares, bonds, debentures of major financial institutions like SFCs and others. It acts as a developer of industrial structure through proper planning, promotion and development, IDBI takes up the responsibility to conduct research and survey activities for assessing with the marketing and investment aspects. It also conducts the research activities for assessing with the marketing and investment aspects. It provides technical and administrative assistance to any firm in order to promote, manage and expand it. IDBI helps in growth and development of all the industries. It provides finance to different industries such as manufacturing, processing, preservation of goods and or mining, shipping, transport, hotel, shore fishing, repairs, testing and servicing machineries or vehicles, guaranteeing deferred payments due from industrial concerns. IDBI also provides a guarantee if any payments